folks, today we're going to be working on the front brake pads on a 2008 Mazda 6. Just took the back brakes loose. Somehow the brake pad was on backwards. I had a little scrubbing going on, so I just changed that. Right here we're going to be working on this front brake, so I just got a little something stuck in it. I recently bought the car, so hadn't really got all the way around to it. I already changed the other side brake pads. Of course, you want to take a screwdriver while this caliper is in, and you want to stick it sort of in the back right here and push the caliper enough to where you can just slide this right off. And yeah, the brake pads actually not too bad, but since I changed the other side, it came in this set, so I'm gonna go ahead and change this side. I changed the axle on the other side also, which I had to get a whole new assembly because it kind of welded itself on there, and it's a pain to get it off. And this side may be the same. I don't know, but this nut still look pretty new. But if you look right there, all that rust, yeah, that's a little scary. Also, upon changing these brakes, I just noticed that I'm also gonna have to get a new upper control arm right here because it's busted. And let's see, you can hear that popping sound as I do that. Push on it a little bit. So, look like also this pin has fallen. I don't know if it was already like that or if it just happened, but yeah. So I'm gonna get to it, and all you gotta do is actually slide these. They come right out, as you can see, like that. You might wanna look careful. It's got that pin on it. Take that side out and sort of just work it out like that. Like I said, the pads are actually not that bad, but we got some new ones. So okay, so here's the new pads, and as you can tell, this is not like an all-day job or anything. It's pretty simple. See, you just slide that pad. Oh, it actually looks a little bit big. Okay, maybe we just work it in there. I was gonna say perfect, but it's not perfect yet. So let's see if we can. It keeps coming at the bottom. Let's just see. Bear with me. All right, as you can see right there, the pack it's in there with no problem. So we'll go ahead to the second one. Same thing, just a different side. Let's see if I can get that. Alright, as you can see, we have both of the pads in there. So at this point, and the kit actually comes with all new parts. So if you need this piece or this piece, the kit comes with new parts, and it actually comes with the new clips right here. So sometimes this could be tricky. When you put the clips in, it could push the pads back out. So I'm gonna try to put those in and see if I can. And let's just see how it goes. Okay, that one went in with no problem. And let's go for the top. Oh, you notice that pad slid a little bit. You see there how I start to force it out. So at that point, that should be okay. So now I'm gonna try and adjust the brake caliper. I want to see if it fits. If not, I have to use my tool to adjust it. Oh shoot! You notice just a little bump knocked the pad out. Once you put those clips on, it becomes really weird. So I might have to put this down, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's the brake, the tool I used to compress the caliper back in to get it to slide over. So now I have it all back connected. Stay tuned, and I'll upload changing that. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart. I'll upload changing that upper control arm. So yeah, stay tuned. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.